Welcome to the world of seamless website customization with BlockWheels Pro plugin. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple process of personalizing your website by adding and customizing a circular bar. First, make sure the plugin is installed and activated. Once that's done, we can dive right into the customization process. Navigate to the circular bar page in your editor and click the Edit button. Click the plus icon to add the circular bar block. Now, the fun part, customizing your circular bar. You have a wide range of options to make the circular bar your own. Need more circular bars? No problem, you can add as many as you need. Start by modifying the overall layout. You can adjust the columns and rows to fit your desired layout. Want to change the size? Use the full width or wide width options to expand the section and create a more impactful design. You can customize the font by adjusting the case, uppercase or lowercase, and changing the font color to match your style. You can also adjust the thickness and size of the label to fit your design preferences. Change the font, adjust the label width, and explore additional design settings. You can also adjust the background color and label color to align with your website branding. Expand the circular bar by selecting the full width or wide width option for a more prominent display. Set the exact percentage you want to display within the circular bar. Once you're satisfied with how your circular bar looks, it's time to publish your page. Simply click Publish and then hit View Page to see the final result live on your site.